How to check the amount of RAM installed on your Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can check the amount of RAM installed on your Android phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to check the amount of RAM installed on your Android phone, most cases, just like Samsung and so on, they give you the option to view it if you go within the settings. When you go within settings, you'll most likely be able to find under storage and memory sections over here. So I basically have 8 gigabytes of RAM and I also have 128 gigabytes of storage. You could have 6 gigabytes or 12 GB or maybe 4 GB or 2 GB or even 3 GB. In order to figure this out, if your phone doesn't tell you, what you can do is open your Play Store, search for any application called device info, right? Search for device info. For me, I'm just downloading the first one. Once you download any application that shows you your device info, just go ahead and open it up and then give it the access it requires. And once you've done that, you'll be able to see all of your details of your smartphone, right? So you can see the core, you can see test, you can see the display, and you can see everything else over here. And once you come to device info, over here you'll see all these options where you have to scroll all the way to this section called memory. Once you go to memory, here you can see random access memory, and this is actually my current RAM over here. As you can see, 7444 MB doesn't mean exactly 8 gigabytes, but of course that is the amount of RAM that is actually installed on my device. So you can use any application from the Play Store. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, of course feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.